tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification. Friends, I hope you're aware that we have 3 YouTube channels. One is Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, Tarot Reader Shefali in English, and Spirituality Decoded. So I hope you have checked out my channel Spirituality Decoded also. Now in this video we are going to speak about monthly predictions for October 2020. Let's see what's in cards. Hi Aquarians, let's see what's in cards for you for October 2020. People who are born from 20th of January to 18th of February are Aquarians. Let us see what is in cards for them. So friends, we will start with your energy oracle cards. We have Angel of Love energy surrounding you, which is a beautiful energy. It says that somebody is around the corner who is going to offer her love to you. Now this could be your partner, your expected partner, it could be your mother, it could be your elder sister, it could be your younger sister, basically a female figure offering her love, care and warmth to you. Not only that, you also have energy of angels and masters surrounding you, which shows that you are protected against any negativity, any issues, any problems, any challenges in your life. So coming month is a very protected, loving, caring, pampering month for you. It's all upon you to visualize success. Angels are advising us to visualize success for yourself. Think big, dream big, be realistic. Of course, don't overburden yourself, but if you think big, if you visualize big success, you will be able to succeed because the energy and positivity and angels and masters are with you. So let us see what other cards are suggesting. We have Page of Swords in the upright position. In your relationship segment, it says that somewhere there is a teenage love expected, teenage love offer expected in the coming month. If at all you are a teenager, college going kid, there is a possibility that you are fighting with your mind to define what true love is for you. There is a possibility that there is love at offer, but you are not able to decide which way to go, and you are trying to figure it out, and there is some mental juggling which is going on in your mind. In case of people who are already married, this could be a situation to where you are trying to sort out your definition of love, because there is surely love at offer, but you are not able to accept it because of the mental chaos or because of the clarity, lack of clarity, and you are trying to attain that clarity by little bit of mental struggle that is going on within you. Of course, you are still at a better ground because you are in a better position to command in this love affair, but still you are not decided, as I can sense it. It could be the similar situation in case of friends and relatives. So you are trying to figure out, how do I behave with this person? Okay, this person is being nice to me. Is it genuine? Is it really nice? Or you're doubting your own instincts, you're doubting your own situation because of some maybe past experience, or because of some confusion in your mind, your own mind. So your mind is playing with yourself. Just little be aware, because this is a real positive energy which is trying to love you, care for you. Don't end up hurting this person. Of course, you're going to get a breakthrough in the situation in the coming month, that is on who is your true lover, or who is really interested to make you feel good and love you. And it might be really from some unexpected source or unexpected person, and you are trying to reason out yourself. So just don't try to reason out too much. Accept the love energy anyways, because it is blessed with all the positivity, and sometimes you need to trust the universal energy and go with the flow. So just understand, you might, for all you know, you might understand what true love is in the coming month. Coming to your career, we have Six of Cups in the upright position. It says that you might be connected with somebody from the past, somebody from past network, who is going to help you build your career better. So being friendly with that person is really going to help you. That person is going to help you get a good project, maybe, or might enter into a partnership with you, or might act as a reference point for a bigger project, and for enhancing your credibility in the job market or a business market. So overall, just connect whoever you connect with in the coming month from past. Try to not try to understand the hidden signals, and if it is meant to if that person is meant to support you or give you some guidance, do take it seriously, because it really can give you a miracle growth in the coming market, in the current market also. Be friendly with people around you, be friendly with the nature, and nature will reciprocate. That is the message for you. Coming to your finances, friends, we have Fool card in the pride position. Fool card says that somewhere there are new opportunities. No doubt there are very good new prospective opportunities coming to you in the coming month for financial planning. However, it will be carrying a lot of risks too. So don't take any unthoughtful decision or a naive decision. Just try to judge and analyze things properly before taking any step in. Take right guidance from people. Don't forget, don't fear to be innovative or creative while investing, but not before research, proper research. So do proper research, only then be creative and innovative and take a step in investment. Go beyond illusions. So whatever is shown to you, try to read beyond it, and you might just discover a real high potential with calculated risk. So just take the calculated step over here. Coming to your health, we can see Ace of Pentacles, upright, beautiful health condition. You might get some help from a very unknown source to take care of your health, either help in terms of practical physical help, or some guidance which will be a support system for your healing process, which was some pending for some time, and you will be experiencing a revival of your health. So overall, a very beautiful spread, friends. The summary card says that there will be a judgment time in the coming month. So you might have to take certain important decisions in your life, which are going to bring a drastic change in your lifestyle, life cycle, or overall life. So don't be afraid of taking such decisions, because all the positivity and divine energy and divine support is with you. Go for it, guys. A very good luck to all of you. I hope this reading really helps you to plan coming month. So friends, I really hope that this video will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. If you're looking for a personalized appointment, you can connect with me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, which is given in the screen on the screen. You can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook account, and my YouTube channel. Of course, I'm very active on my Instagram and Facebook page also. So you can drop me a message if you're looking for some appointment or some query. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and families. These are free videos. It can really help them, guide them if they align with the spread. Don't forget to comment on my videos. Your comments really help me to get your feedback, and in improvisation, if you need anything, any topic you want me to cover. And I'm really thankful to all those people who are already part of my journey as subscribers, and those who are going to join us ahead. A very, very good luck to all of you.